The Spida Raked Wall Extruder is designed to automate the assembly and simplify the process of making raked wall frames, but can also produce all the common walls that we build on the standard extruder. It's a powerful, fast, accurate and simple to operate machine, making it the leader in the market. The Raked Wall Extruder fits really well into the Spida Frame Line. Essentially, it's the beginning of the process of building wall frames. Its comprehensive capabilities and the speed of bringing the stud and nog combinations into the wall production set the tone for this line. The machine is able to read multiple design files, then the Spida software on the Raked Wall Extruder takes the operator through the assembly of the frame from start to finish. The Raked Wall Extruder simplifies and automates what is currently a manual operation in most plants. The machine was designed to automatically adjust to the different length studs in the raked wall that is being produced. The rake wall is pulled away from the operator by clever mechanics which allow the operator to continue the task of placing the next stud. The Raked Wall Extruder is a cost-effective solution which provides a number of efficiencies for a plant, including being one of the fastest wall extruders on the market. The ability to make both common and rake walls from one machine quickly and accurately is a game changer. It means you no longer need two dedicated lines, and this combination in production provides amazing throughput levels. You'll see production numbers increase without having to add any extra labor. Also, there are efficiency gains by placing incrementally longer studs in situ and nailing off to produce a raked wall. It's relatively simple to use, fewer mistakes with placement of studs and nogs compared to the manual process, and it allows the wall line to be working at full production day in and day out.
Our customer was looking for a robust, cost-effective solution to increase their production to numbers the market is demanding and handle their double or triple shifts. The Raked Wall Extruder and Frame Line were the solution. The production numbers are outstanding. Our customer wanted versatility and a way to do all their raking frames, as well as producing common walls when required. They're really happy with their decision to include the Raked Wall Extruder and Frame Line into their production centre. Our customer wanted to partner with a reputable company who had local service and support. Spida provides this. Here at Spida, we demand the best of ourselves, and we've developed a partnership with our customers of innovation and purpose. They are impressed with the Raked Wall Extruder because of the ease and functionality of the software, the cutting-edge technology, and the solution being fit for their needs. As well as the numbers stacking up, our customer placed huge weighting on safety. We worked diligently to ensure the process for the Raked Wall Extruder and Frame Line was the best it could be. Having it at the perfect height to bring in large members, for example, minimises the fatigue the team experiences. Also, having a machine do the heavy lifting rather than a worker is gold. Our customer is really pleased with their decision and can't wait to see what we can achieve with this kit in their production centre.
If you're after a fast, accurate, automated process for producing both common standard walls and raked walls, the Spida Raked Wall Extruder ticks all the boxes.